Think of a lead page as an alternative to a job ad that helps boost engagement with passive talent. Passive talent is on the rise, and in order to keep recruitment candidate-centric, we've created this page to adhere to this growing target group. To create a lead page, click on Lead Page and link the job opening you want to create the lead page for. Usually, passive talent doesn't apply to positions, but are qualified and open to discussing the opportunity. On this page, let them know why the job is interesting and request their contact information. Add your header, description, call to action text, response time, and image. Under Supporting Content, add a few facts about your company that get them excited about the opportunity. These will show up on the left side of the page. You can add a candidate chat to your lead page to get you even closer to candidates. To do so, click on Settings here and customize the pop-up text for this lead page. Make sure to add the contact person. See what kinds of people show interest that wouldn't otherwise apply. Make sure to save your edits and publish the lead page by clicking on the drop-down here. If you want to get the word out there, spread your page on social media through Promote. When people apply to a job through lead pages, they will be tagged with Lead on their candidate card. You can filter on these candidates in your candidate bank here. You'll also be able to see from which page they connected with you. The most important thing to do when you receive leads is to follow up with them quickly and nurture them. Otherwise, you'll miss out on a potential next hire. As always, let us know if you have any questions.